a craft fair and art sale. There are also selections from the museum's permanent collection. We have an ice sculpture on the steps of the registry. We have face painters inside City Hall. There's also live music inside City Hall. I'm responsible for commissioning our drummers who are next to the bonfire on the lawn, and I'm happy to say we have the snow melting because of the bonfire. And we have fire jugglers that are in Gilbert Perry Square. Also, a new attraction is the DJ that we have underneath the arches for the train bridge. So we're very excited to have all of those attractions here, and I'm really pleased that everybody came out. It is winter, it is snowing, it's the Winter Night Festival, but it's actually kind of a mild night by comparison to some other ones we've had. There's not a lot of wind, so it has actually